Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing the Lord of the Rings, the motion picture trilogy. Have not seen a single one of these. It's the extended edition. This is the front. The side. And the back. And my digital copy has expired. You can't see that, but it says June 26th this year. So, yeah. So I'll have to definitely check these out. Have not yet, though. Will be seeing The Hobbit. So I will have to watch these before that, because I really want to see Star Trek 2, which I'm a huge fan. Which you'll grow to learn of this one. This one's amazing, but that's not what we're doing. So let's unbox this. Just move my legs up. Sorry for the thumping outside. Okay, so let's flip it to the back. So this is apparently disposable. So let's put that to the side. And we have this. This is probably going to be explained. Don't know what it is yet. But I have to say the back looks really cool. And I'm very excited to see what this will all be about. So, now let's get the actual thing out. Oh, it's an open up thing. Okay, got this. Sorry, I'm not giving you any details since I don't know these characters yet. I can't tell you. What I'll do a close up. There you go. There's the map. And okay, there's 3 movies. I know this kind of, there you go. Okay, let me pull them out. Oh, these are for some reason slippery. I don't know why they don't want to come out. Sorry for this. I don't know. I don't know why they don't want to come out, but they definitely do not want to come out. There we go. Okay. So we'll start with Lord of the Rings: Return of the King. That's what it looks like. I'm sure if you're a big Lord of the Rings fan, you already own this, but if you're just starting like me, this will definitely tell you whether or not to get it. It looks like there's a lot of special features, which is always good. And let's open it up. Okay, so we got a I don't know what this is. Oh, it's a menu. It's showing you the menu. It's kind of interesting. And we got the Blu-ray, Part 1, Part 2, the extended edition, and then Part 5, The War of the Ring, Part 6, The Passing of an Age, and The Return of the King behind the scenes. It's a lot of discs, I gotta say that. A lot of discs. So, front. Next we have the two towers. Hope that's good enough for you guys. Sorry about being blurry. Once again, a lot of special features. So we got another menu, got all this, and that. Okay. Alright, digital code. And then this is a collector's item list. It's mostly just chess. The ring. Interesting. They had one like that in the Batman set. War of the North. Lord of the Rings Online. Have not played either. Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows Part 1. It's a thing for pre-order. And we move on to our last thing. Lord of the Rings Fellowship of the King Extended Edition. And we have side. There you go. And the back. Which, if it's like the other ones, will have about 4 discs. The 1, 2, 3, 4, no, 5 discs. There you go. And you got your menu. Alright. So, and that's what it looks like once you've taken all the stuff out. So yeah, it's very cool. Cool little addition to my collection. Hopefully I like them. Otherwise, I don't know, there might be something wrong with me. So, I'll check in with you guys later. Hopefully I'll have another unboxing soon. If not, check with me on Christmas Eve, and I most certainly will have one uploaded either Christmas Eve or Christmas Day. So, I'll see you then, and goodbye.